I am Summer Banzhaf. I am a DO, and I'm primary care internal medicine. I went to Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine in Erie, Pennsylvania, and then did my residency in East Liverpool City Hospital in East Liverpool, Ohio. So I had very complicated deliveries with my children, and then one of my children has a primary immune deficiency and epilepsy, and through all the care we were provided, both me when I was going through what I went through, and my children as they've gone in their life, that is what drove me to go to medicine. Make sure that you get adequate sleep, make sure you're getting a healthy diet, exercise, but also make sure you do something you enjoy. Enjoy life. Well, I spend a lot of time with my husband and children and our dogs. Then we also go to a lot of concerts and have a lot of fun at concerts and festivals and enjoying music live. I like to listen to patients, take the time to understand their full history and story, and then work collaboratively with them to come to appropriate treatments.